Hey guys, James Miller here. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm in my car right now taking a break from my day to say thank you for showing up and to welcome you and to tell you what to expect when you come to my channel. What are you going to get from me? You're going to get value. I can promise you that. Okay? In the form of maybe over the shoulder, step by step, in the form of training and tips, in the form of vlogs, whatever I can do to, teach you a few things along the way. But mainly my idea, my game plan is to document my journey. Why? Because as I'm going through it, starting from scratch and building my way through this business, my internet entrepreneur business, I hope that you can start to believe in yourself. Like right in here, deep down in here, you'll start to believe in yourself that if I can do it, this guy right here, James Miller, if I can do it, so can you. Okay. And it's going to take some time. It's going to take some effort. It's going to you're going to have to take some chances. When I say chances, I mean just like getting out of your comfort zone and doing a few new things that you've never done before. Other than that, it's just taking action. But it all starts with belief. If you don't believe that you can do it, then you're not going to do it. I mean, you're just going to find a way out. And so hopefully my journey, hopefully me documenting what I'm doing can give you belief that you can do it too. So with that, I hope you enjoy my videos. If you ever need to get in contact with me, I'm sure somewhere around here, there is a way to get in contact with me through Facebook, Instagram, email, you name it, or leave a comment here on YouTube by all means. So with that said, thank you once again for making it to my channel. I hope you enjoy the videos. Have yourself a great day.